Welcome po to my YouTube channel. This is BIM Smart with Aris Basa. This July, our free tutorials returns with the basics of Revit structures. Learn the step-by-step process in setting up your structural project. Get to know the rich structural library available in your software and start coordinating your structural model with the architectural model. We will also touch in creating steel structures and steel reinforcement for your project. All these and more in the upcoming episodes here in BIM Smart with Aris Basa. Please help me grow my channel so we can help more to learn BIM and Revit. Kindly like and share the videos. We'll be making more valuable contents for you. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Thank you.